Hi, I'm Senthil Chandrasuriyan. I'm a solutions architect at QVC Group. Today, I'm going to be talking about a product data hub that we have built within QVC using Azure Cosmos DB, some of our architecture, and how we plan to use some of the things in the future as well. So, just a brief about QVC. Though, for those who don't know, we are a telemarketing company. We sell our products through the television channels. We have like about 12 channels on QVC. We are also HSN. We sell our products to HSN as well. Uh, we are in a lot of different markets, including US, Germany, Japan, and other places. So, uh, as a retailer who sells our products, right? So, products are basically like the product data becomes essentially like our central data source that's needed for all of our operations. So it forms the basis of our selling process, and we need to really provide like a good real time visibility for our different product attributes like the core product attributes, inventory, pricing, and promotion across various different sales channels for marketing and a lot of other purposes. So we have a very unique use case for handling our product data. Some of the information is listed out in this slide, but what we needed is a very reliable, high performant system that can provide us product information that can be shared across different channels, and make it available for us really quickly. So this gives us like a view of how we have laid out our uh, product data using Cosmos DB. If you look at the diagram that's shown on the right hand side, the QC product data hub, which is created using Cosmos, becomes a central hub, and at the top you will see our various channels. We are actually branching out into streaming platforms. We are branching out into social selling platforms, and basically for all of the product data needs that we have across our television channels, our social channels, streaming channels, on marketing, like search and recommendations, all of that's like kind of getting provided using our product data hub that's created using Cosmos. At the bottom of it, what you will see is that we send all of this information from our on-prem systems using like a host of services like that are available in Azure. We use things like service bus, topic subscriptions, data factory, along with the host of Azure Functions, Logic Apps, and our own services that are running in Azure AKS to push the data over to Cosmos, and from there make it available everywhere. Why did we choose Cosmos? Mainly for the reasons that we have listed out over here. It has an excellent global distribution, like global replication across like various regions. It provides us with a very low latency reach, which is very critical for since that data is going to be made available in all of these different channels. It provides schema flexibility. We can tap into change feed, publish data out. It supports event sourcing, and then the Cosmos DB is also like a source, is the place where we store our event sourcing data, and it has excellent connectivity to Azure services. And our plan is to expand our services in Azure. That's one of the reasons for why we are using Cosmos, and we have been extremely happy with all the capabilities that we get out of Cosmos. And we plan to expand our uh, product data hub functionality by making Cosmos as our central place where we store that information. So from there, where do we want to move towards, right? So one of the things that we want to kind of move towards is expanding our AI capabilities. We do this currently using like various uh, third party solutions, but we what we want to do is we want to start building these capabilities using Azure OpenAI, uh, and then basically kind of dive into some of these areas, uh, like creating product descriptions based on images and videos, creating personalized browsing experience using information that's coming from analytics, and loading that into Synapse and creating like a personalized experience, a bot that can answer questions regarding our products when the user visits our website. And then ultimate goal is to provide like a AI guided shopping experience by uh, taking all of this information and driving the information that we have within Cosmos and basically tying all of these up together and provide a guided shopping experience for all of our users. Thanks so much for your time, and thanks for sharing. Thanks for giving me the time to share our vision of creating the QVC product data hub using Cosmos. Thanks once again. Bye.